It's very important. You need to sit here, apparently. No?
There are a few more spaces milling around, people at the back, if you want to squeeze in amongst other families. Let's get friendly. Why not?
It's close, but it's Christmas, so, you know, you can have a little bit of a hug going on. Lovely. Wonderful. I feel like we need to start soon, Boo.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Definitely.
Yeah? Good.
Have a seat, guys.
You done with the seating feng shui now?
Yeah.
Good, good.
Yes.
Lovely.
The chakras are aligned.
Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Wonderful. You're ready. You're so ready.
Well, he's ready. Are you all ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Okay, very good. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Flossy.
Woo! Yeah.
This is my arm. This is my leg.
Ooh.
And this is my foot.
Yay.
They will all be taking part in this introduction.
And ladies and gentlemen, my name is Boo.
Lovely. Anyway, so, Boo, lovely. What we're about to witness is the most amazing introduction in the history of shows.
Not just shows. Anything. Ever.
Now, you might think that this is quite a big build-up to the show, but you are very much mistaken.
If anything, we're underselling it.
Nothing we can say can prepare you for the majesty of this introduction.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have travelled the globe in search of a better introduction than this, but it does not exist.
Now, we travelled our little cart across the dizzying heights of the Peruvian mountains.
Waded through the Amazon.
Fought matadors in Spain.
Olé! Had a brief nap in Paris and then swam all the way back here to deliver this introduction to our theatre show to all of you fine people.
Okay, now, without further ado, are you all ready? Okay, that's great. You sound lovely, but it's going to be quite a lot of in-audience interaction.
Yeah, we'll warn you now. Get warmed up.
Boo, Boo.
Oh.
Wait a second, he needs to take his coat off.
Quite right, quite right. Can't do it.
Good. Just,
Oh,
another coat's, okay, good. Oh, yeah, great. You're milking it a bit now. Can we quicken that up a bit? Good, good.
It's off his shoulders!
Yay, brilliant, okay, excellent.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, without further a coat, the introduction.
Welcome to Flossy and Boo's fantastical, mystical, wondrous, fantabulous, tremendous, stupendous curiosity shop. No, wait for the applause.
Oh,
thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we said pre-introduction,
I am Flossy.
And I'm Boo.
Now, we did. Now, a few years ago, we ran away from the circus to set up this amazing curiosity shop you see before you today.
The circus we ran away from was none other than the Cirque Stupendo!
Now, you're laughing, but I'm seeing a lot of blank faces. Please tell me you have heard of the Cirque Stupendo! No? This is a little bit awkward. Just give us a second.
Hang on. Okay, no problem. What?
We're all good.
Right. We've got
sorted.
a plan. Don't you
We
worry.
have a plan.
We've got a plan.
Good.
Right. What we'll do is we'll tell you the story of the Cirque du Stupendo. Then we're all caught up on an even playing field and we can get on with the rest of the show.
Good idea. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the story of the Great Stupendo.
The Great Stupendo started life as plain old Stuart Stupendo.
His big dream was that one day his name would be known across the globe. The trouble was he didn't know what for.
One day, instead of turning right towards school, he turned left out of his front door and started to walk and walk and walk.
He walked so far and so fast that eventually he reached the very ocean. But this did not stop Stuart Stupendo. He merely dove in and swam and swam and swam.
After reaching the African coast, approximately 17 whole years later,
Casablanca to be precise. He shook himself and his beard dry and continued on his travels.
Now, after walking and swimming for quite a long time, he decided he was quite tired and needed to lie down at the side of the road, and he slept and slept and slept.
He woke up in the middle of the night to a strange shuffling noise coming from the brush beside him.
Then, two eyes shone out of the darkness. They seemed to be looking at him. They blinked. Stuart Stupendo gathered up all of his courage and inched towards this strange creature. Her Augusta. She was a bronzed, elegant, beautiful lady. She was terribly tall, though, you know, very, very long legs. Anyway, her beard was as soft as a cloud.
They were married the next day under the shade of the argon tree, in which this bearded beauty had always lived.
Now, they continued walking and swimming happily together as one. But the bearded lady, I have to say, ladies and gentlemen, was rather bossy. And she decided she wanted to travel around the whole world. She wanted to see everything she could possibly see. So she decided that they would start in the bustling hubbub that is New Delhi! Two for a pound, two for a pound!
Lovely New Delhi apples, gonna want her oats! In the midst of this hubbub, they came across a strange, serene gentleman, an Indian contortionist known only as Bing.
Next, they went to Turkey, where they found the mystical great-aunt Theodora, as they like to call her.
Then, in Romania, they found the fantabulous duo, an amazing husband and wife team who, in their spare time, were gymnastic cat burglars, swinging through the streets of Romania and stealing cats at will.
Then, after a short stopover in Paris, in an old battered suitcase, they found two little girls, Flossy and Boo. That's us.
We all joined together to form the amazing Cirque du Stupendo!
Excellent, thank you very much. Good.
Right, just a quick warning, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, yes.
Our circus family, although we love them, we did try and leave them behind a very long time ago, but they do like to pop up every now and again.
Just keep an eye out.
All right. Right, you. What are you like at rock,
Chatty
paper,
one
scissors?
down the front. Good.
Rock, paper, scissors? You know that one? You know it? Fabulous.
Good,
We're
you can
on
help
it.
each other out.
Right,
just
on three or
while
after
they,
three?
Boo, I'm just going to explain. Whilst
All right,
Boo's doing
so
this,
this
we have
On
this
three,
hat,
after
you
three.
see. It's
So do you
filled
want 1, 2,
with
3, go?
lovely items.
Yeah, all right.
They will select
1,
an item
2,
if they
3,
win,
go.
and it will decide the next thing in the show.
Ready? 1, 2, 3,
Taking
go.
your time, aren't you?
You win!
Okay, boys. So can you take something from
Flink.
the hat?
It was two of them against
lovely.
me.
This one here. They're both the same sort of thing. A decapitated head, everybody. Lovely. That means that you get a poem and a song. Because there's two of them. You see? Good. Excellent. Are you ready?
No, cheated.
Are you ready for your special prize? Yes? Fantastic. Are we
Hear
ready?
the gasps from every age when the bearded lady takes the stage.
A finer beard you'll never witness. Was she born this way, or is it a sickness?
It's soft and bushy and finely groomed, the facial hair of a chimp or baboon. Bearded lady, she got the beard!
Where is her beard?
On her face, don't be weird. Hey! Bearded lady, where do she live?
She lives in a tree with a kettle and a sieve. Hey!
Bearded lady, she loves to dance.
Where does she dance? In Spain?
No, in France, oui!
After coffee and soup, she goes a little mad.
She starts to tell jokes. She sounds just like your dad. Hey! Big finish!
Yeah, okay, Boo. Boo!
Got a big beard! Hey!
Thank you very much. Excellent. Now then, everybody, the next story takes place somewhere rather cold indeed.
Which
It's-
means it's the very first bit of audience interaction. Yeah, also, please don't worry, you don't have to get up. You can sit in the comfort of your own
Yes.
seats. But can I get this side of the audience doing a nice ominous rumble?
Oh, an ominous rumble.
With maybe a
Excellent.
sound.
Lovely. Nice. This side of the audience, could you do sort of a sort of sound? Excellent. Can you do with arms as well? Add in any sort of troublesome sounds. Now then, I've got a special job, very special job for you down the front here. All of you lovely vocal ones. In a second. Can you do the CH sound? It's... Excellent. For the Welsh of you in the audience, that's now a bilingual show. Excellent. Okay, fantastic. Can we get that going?
And all
Ready?
together.
Right, ready, go. Wonderful.
In order to fill our little cart, we travelled to the deepest, darkest depths of the Arctic tundra in order to find that most mystical of beasts, the common cold.
We searched high and low for 9 days and 9 nights, but to no avail. This was very unusual for something so common as a cold.
We extended our search until one night, in the middle of an icy storm, we felt the faintest tickle.
The sneaky cold had snuck up behind us. We rallied together, net at the ready.
Until finally, victory!
We bottled it tight, and here on this very stall, you can still find the jar.
The jar.
I thank you. Lovely. You right there, Boo?
Ow.
We've got to move on, babe.
My face hurts.
Right, okay.
I think I burst a blood vessel in my face.
Good. Can you move along? They're getting bored. Come on.
Yeah.
Good.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you wish to purchase this most exquisite of items, please do not open it until you get home. They are at the same time very easy and very difficult to catch a cold.
It's awful when you get yourself a cold. Your nose gets itchy and you don't feel so bold. You sniffle and you weep and you try to stay off your feet. It's awful when you get yourself a cold.
1, 2, 3.
It's awful when you get yourself a cold. Your nose gets itchy and you don't feel so bold. You sniffle and you weep and you try to stay off your feet. It's awful when you get yourself a cold. Did you hear of the gnat who went out in the rain? One stormy day, he never came home again. He left his umbrella and he left his coat. He started to shiver and get a sore throat. And that was the last we heard of the gnat. He got a bad cold, and that was that.
Let go!
Thank you.
Amazon.
Lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, this will enthrall. It's Aunt Theodora and her crystal ball.
What will you see? Maybe nothing at all in Aunt Theodora's crystal ball. She's shrouded in shadows and an old tattered shawl. Old Aunt Theodora and her strange crystal ball.
She's followed by Bertrand, who is terribly tall. Great Aunt Theodora and her crystal ball. So come down, roll up, one and all. See Aunt Theodora and her crystal ball. That's lovely, Bertrand, but it's a bit embarrassing because I don't have my ball. Lovely. Hello, just taking the majesty. Excellent. Hello, hello. Lovely, thank you very much. Ah, yes. I'm just going to come along here. Hello. Just a second, excuse me. Yes, here. Hello. Now then, sir, could you please look into the crystal ball? Excellent. Now, could you think of a song, family friendly, remember, and look into the ball and send it into there. Ready? Off you go. Oh, that's a lovely song. They didn't quite hear you.
Thriller.
Thriller. Lovely. Oh, no, set her off. Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Excellent. Okay. Good. Bertrand, that's quite enough. Thank you very much. Wonderful, thank you. Now then, before I move on, I should probably explain that my inner psychic is called Stephanie Persephone. Now, she's wonderful. She tells me everything I need to do and when I need things, and yes, she did tell me I needed the cards. Thank you very much. They're very excellent. Could you find a magnificent audience member for me? Press in this sort of section here. Could you do that? Quick as you can. Who? Yes. Very good. Go find him. Lovely. Nice. Come along. Come along. Round of applause, everybody. Lovely. Excellent. Lovely. Now, what's your name there? What's your name? Harrison, everybody. Lovely. Take a bow, Harrison. Lovely. Now then, Harrison, could you do me a job? Could you take a card from me, please? Just one card. Quick as you can. Gosh, he's terribly slow, isn't he? Very, very slow. Very well, very well. Could you pick a card for me? Lovely. Now, could you show that to Bertrand, please? I'm not going to look at all. In fact, I'm going to come down here. You can see I'm not looking, can't you? Wonderful. Now, we'll just have a chat. Oh, hello. What's the name of this? Flossie. Oh, I have a friend called Flossie. She's lovely. She's wonderful. Now, let's see. Can I shake a hand? Let's shake a hand. Are you done? Oh, one. Aunt Theodora, lovely. Okay, I'll have a chat with you later. Wonderful. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is look out into the audience there. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell the audience what's on that card. I'm not going to look. I've been chatting to Flossie down there. Ready? No, don't tell me, don't tell me. Okay, ready? After 3, and go. I'm sensing a 5 there, everybody. Lovely. Wonderful. Now then, I'm going to get the suit. Are you ready? And now. Excellent. I'm sensing a spade. Is that right? Yes, the 5 of spades, everybody. Lovely. Harrison, thank you so much. Harrison, lovely. Come down. Lovely. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. He's here. He's here in this very audience. Charles, my long-lost love, is here. I can sense it. Oh, he's wearing a suit jacket. He's talking to a boy in green. He's got a pink shirt on. He's looking a bit nervous now. He's thinking, oh, I was not going to stay and sit around, but now I have to. Oh, no. Lovely. Charles, everybody! Charles, hello! Charles, my dear, come and stand on the stage here. Now, it has been such a long time. Turn and face your crowd. Take a bow. Charles, everybody. Now then, Charles, it has been 70 years, my darling, since I saw you last.
Really, that long?
Yes, it has been. What on earth have you been doing? Well?
Growing old.
Growing old without me. He got married. Well, dear Charles, that's very sad. Very sad indeed. Okay, well, I guess I could deal with that. In fact, I could try and woo you with a song. Would that work? Yes, let's try it. Come along here. Come and stand here, because apparently we need to stand near these things. Bertrand, my instrument, please. Thank you very much. Are you ready for this lovely song? You're looking so nervous.
My daughter's looking disgusted.
Oh, well, so she should be. How awful that you married someone else. Okay, good. Who is this man that I can see? Who is this man in front of me? He is the man that I want for always, waiting to say that I'll have you for all of my days. Waiting to say that I'll have you for all of my days. Waiting to say that I'll have you for all of my days. Oh, Bertrand! How awful! No, it was not Charles, it was you. I know it was. Take this away. Boo! Boo, Bertrand, everybody. Boo! Go away, no soup for you. No soup. Terrible. Get into the middle. Move. Move.
That's why I didn't marry you.
Yes. Very bossy. Well, Charles, I am very disappointed in you. Because he's married, yes, I know. Well, the thing is, I don't think I can get over it. At all. And I think I should give my love to one who is deserving. I cannot wait 70 more years. There's a photo opportunity now because this is hilarious to your family. Wave, wave. Excellent. Thank you. Now, can we give him a round of applause for being such a sport? Fantastic. Thank you very much, Charles. Oh, yes. I should just probably say before you leave. Oh, are you quite all right down there? They're having a fight. Oh, all is well. Well, I will be at your local community centre and your halls, so please do prepare for the next show. Thank you. I've been Aunt Theodora, everybody. Thank you very much. Boo, darling. Oh, wow, yes, my favourite one. Great decapitated head, everybody.
Oh, he picked the slightly smaller dismembered head.
Yes.
We
Lovely.
do have things other than body parts in the
Promise.
hat.
Lovely. Are we...
That means, do you want to know what that means? I'll tell you. Cover your ears then. That means that this next story takes place underwater.
Exciting. Can we do some jellyfish arms going on? Can we do some jellyfish... you need to sit on the carpets. That's the only rule. Excellent. So jellyfish arms. Excellent. Off we go. Lovely. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the story of Geoffrey the jellyfish. Now, Geoffrey the jellyfish was an odd sort of fellow. From a very young age, as young as you, he decided that he would try and make friends with as many people as possible. Now, the thing is, the sea creatures didn't really appreciate his hugs. They were a little bit stingy, and as such, found making friends rather difficult.
We first encountered Geoffrey just off the coast of the Seychelles, where we had gone in search of an absolutely enormous pearl. Felt good with that look on our car, right? We dove deep beneath the waves and finally came upon the pearl, with Geoffrey stood resolutely in front of it.
We asked him for the pearl. We said, Geoffrey, you're rather beautiful in your own special kind of way, and we really love your pearl. She's great, and we'd really like to take her. Is it possible that we put her on our curiosity shop? But grumpy Geoffrey just said,
No. Oh, how I love you, Pearl. You are my favourite girl. You are the best thing in my world, and that is why I love you, Pearl.
We huddled together and came up with a tricksy plan. No, Boo. No, it wouldn't fit.
Yes! Flossie did one of her magnificent twirls, swirling up the sand all around her.
Then, in the golden haze, Boo snuck around behind Geoffrey and snatched Pearl out of sight. When the sand had settled, Geoffrey realised that Pearl was missing and began to sob. And sob. And sob. I mean, we were quite... Right, got it. We were quite shocked at that reaction because he'd been such a grumpy jellyfish just moments before.
He sniffily explained that Pearl is not just a pearl. She's my wife. She's the only one who can withstand my stingy frog. And if you go with them, oh, I'd cry. I'd be so blue.
I'd be so blue.
I'd really miss you.
I'd really miss you.
I wouldn't know what to do.
I wouldn't know what to do.
I'd cry into my shoes. Said that jellyfish don't actually wear shoes. We don't have feet, but I would buy one special for the occasion, maybe from Clark's. I've heard they're quite good quality, even though they're a bit more expensive because they're made with real leather. Oh, how I love you, Pearl. You make me want to spin and whirl. My favourite chocolate bar is a Cadbury Stroll. Other chocolate bars are available, but I don't love them as much as I love you, girl.
Now, Boo handed Pearl back to Geoffrey, who took her in his abundance of arms and hugged her tight. Ladies and gentlemen, a little pearl of wisdom for you. Keep your fronds close and your anemones closer.
As a token of appreciation, Geoffrey handed over a string of small but beautiful pearls, and we told him that any time him and Pearl were swimming in the area, they were more than welcome to come over for a nice cup of tea.
Oh, I mean, everybody knows that jellyfish absolutely love a cup of tea, especially when it's coupled with a custard cream. I mean, they're extremely rare in the sea. Did you know that?
Oh, how I love you, Pearl. You are my favorite girl. You are the best thing in my world, and that is why I love you, Pearl. And that is why I love you, Pearl.
So sorry.
And that is why I love you, Pearl.
So sorry.
And that is why I love you.
Don't milk it.
I love you, don't ever leave me. Thank you. Thank you. What?
Hello, operator. What's that you say? What? No. There's loads of them. Wait here, sorry a second. All right. Yes. yes. No, that's lovely. Okay, no, that's fine. Lovely. Okay, great. Fantastic. Wonderful. Lovely. Great. Okay, we'll get on with it. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye now. Lovely. Oh. Okay. Boo, darling.
Oh.
Hello?
No?
Oh, I can... Your signal's bad, darling. Are you in the WMC?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Could you just
Signal.
move in, stand up on one of those seats, put your hand in the air, do a little wiggle, and maybe sing Merry Christmas, that sort of thing. That usually works. Can you hear me? Hello?
Sorry. Excuse
Hello?
me. Excuse me.
Oh, it's getting better.
Sorry.
Darling,
Hello?
yes? Hello? Put your hand in the air.
Yeah. Like
Do a
I just
little
don't
wiggle.
care.
Do a little wiggle. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Loud and clear.
Hello.
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 Who is this?
It's Flossy, darling.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I'm really good, thanks. I've just been chatting to the operator.
Yeah.
And she said that people are starting to dwindle. They're starting to walk off and get a little bit bored. So we need to get on with the show. Is that all right?
All right, yes, on we go.
Fantastic.
Absolutely.
Oh, darling, she also said...
Oh, hang on.
Yeah, good. She also said that the Fantabulous duo are here. And I think we should go to Plan B, babe.
Plan B,
Okay,
go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute pleasure to introduce to you to the stage the Fantabulous Duo!
Hey! Hello, thank you! Ladies and gentlemen, we are Fantabulous Duo! We perform dramatic acts up to 2 feet in the air.
Now then, we are going to sing you a lovely song from our home country. Is that
Home
okay?
country.
Is that all right with all of you? You look so quiet and blank. This is
They
scary.
love it! Way! Enthusiasm! Hey!
Thank you, darling. Take my hat.
Sure.
Okay, apparently we have to sing to these things, health and safety and all of that. Okay, are you ready? Okay.
Oh, see us fly and soar. See how we never touch the floor. See us glide across the sky. No one asking how or why. The first thing is get the dove upon your back.
Ow.
Then get trapezes swinging front and back. Then hanging from one leg, catch your partner's little toe. And then, my friends, you've got yourself a show. Hey, hey! Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it disappoints me to say that, unfortunately, we must begin our act with a slightly sad story. You see, up until very recently, we were employed of a very good circus. However, there was a little incident, and unfortunately, now we no have job. But every cloud has a silver bit to it.
Yeah.
And now we have decided to set up Circus School. And ladies and gentlemen, super exciting news. You will be first guinea pig audience for Sucker School! Who would like to come up and learn our majestic tricks?
You look very excited.
I think we have to.
Yes, but I've heard he is very noisy. Will you be quiet? Okay, come on.
Up you come!
Up you come.
What is
Okay.
your name?
George! Take a bow, George!
Hey! Shush!
Shush! Excellent. Okay,
Shush.
George, would you please stand here for me? Okay, now you look like a very brave man. Are you brave? You have the stance of a brave man. Okay, now what we are going to do, shush. My darling is just preparing. Look, don't look, it's frightening. Okay, it is called the masking tape line of death. Now, I should explain that usually this trick is made with tight wire, but the WNC said no. It is not good. Health and safety will not let us do it. So
apparently children cannot hang from the rafters.
No, so we have this. Okay, George, you look ready to do it. Oh my goodness.
He's so ready.
Stand here. I will show you how to do it. Hold the hat. Okay, ready? Can we have a bit of tension, everybody? Okay. And I'm going to stay there. Okay. Ready? Oh, it is so frightening. I might fall and die in front of all of these people.
Even got a safety net!
But then I made it. Oh, yes. Okay. Are you ready, George?
Shush! Are you ready?
Put your hat like this and carry it like this. Okay. Are we ready? A bit of tension, everybody. Okay, ready, George? Oh my goodness, you're so good. This from the other circus, my darling. Did you make it? Did you make it?
Shush!
He made it.
Ladies and gentlemen!
Good. Come back into the middle.
You well done.
Take a bow, Josh. And applaud, everybody.
Hello.
Get used to this. Hello. Who is the carer of this lovely little one here? With
You.
boots?
Okay, you take this.
Be careful of her, because I do not want to stand on little fingers.
She is very small.
Did you shrink her in the wash? No?
They need light to grow.
They do. Okay, great. Look into the audience.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, you have heard of 3 ball juggle. You have heard of 5 ball juggle. You have seen people juggle with balls, batons, sticks, bicycle wheels,
Drawing pins.
But
Yes.
have you ever heard of the 1 ball juggle?
Oh, yes. Drawing pins is crazy, but this is very safe indeed. Okay, so can you put
You
your
mean
hand out?
dangerous and perilous?
Again, my darling, somebody with very small hands.
What's wrong with you?
Okay, put 2 hands out, you'll have to. Okay, can you show the audience your hands and say, I have lovely hands?
I have lovely hands.
Did it with the accent as well.
And they are
Fantastic.
lovely.
Okay.
Now, shush. What you must do is you throw, you catch, you bow. Are you ready?
I will put a safety net. Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, you throw, you catch,
Wait,
you
take it,
bow.
everybody!
Let's go for
Amazing.
sure.
Now, Josh,
Thank
I
you.
can tell that you are a very intelligent and brave man. That is right, yes? Do your stance to prove that. Excellent.
Oh,
okay.
look at this man.
Whew, so ready. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do taming of the beast. Are you ready for that? Yeah, you're looking for the beast. Okay, he's
I
so
have the
ready.
beast.
Now then, you turn and face me. I'm talking to you. Okay, what we have to do is do this. No, cat. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do it to me. Go.
No cat.
Good. Now what we're going to
He's
do
ready.
is we're going to take a deep breath in, like this. Good. Do it even with even more arms, because the people at the back. Okay. Yeah. He's so
Always
ready.
good.
And turn and face the beast. Go.
No cat.
Okay. It's pretty
Oh,
good.
it's a little more this time, sure. Spinning it right from here and from here.
Yeah. Okay. And take a deep breath in. Turn and face the beast. Go.
My cat.
Oh, he did it, everybody! Amazing.
Shush.
George, take a bow. You have been a fantastic,
You have been fantastic. Let me take you back to the here. Who are your big people?
Who are your big people? That will only
Lovely,
be
thank you.
£5.95, okay?
Thank you very much. We take
Lovely.
check, passport, visa, financial documentation,
Free.
visa,
It's free.
buttons.
I say it's free.
Hello, operator. Hello. Hello. What's that you say? No. They all look so happy now. We've moved on. No. This looks... Well, no, fine. Well, of course we're professionals. Of course we'll move on. Yeah. Yes, Merry Christmas. And yes, I love you too. All right. Well, goodbye now. Goodbye.
Lovely. Boo, darling. Boo, darling, come here. Come here.
Yes.
Lovely. Now, I've just been talking to the operator.
Yes.
Charlotte, she's lovely. She said that, although we did move on quite swiftly, apparently people have to go in and see The Lion King, and apparently that's sold out nearly, and apparently we need to finish the show here.
Here.
No, darling. She means end the show. Just stop everything.
What, now?
Now. She said, the thing is, yes, she said we have time for one more thing and quite a lot of applause, but that's just about it.
Oh.
Okay, good.
Oh, so we don't get time to do the story about this iron?
No? Or Boris the Light-Up Bunny. That's lovely, that one.
That's a terrifying story,
It is
that
terrifying.
one. Or the skipping rope, or the tiny bags.
No, all the time you hit your head on the cymbals.
Right, fine. That
was
did
this morning.
hurt quite a lot. Right, who wants to pick the very final thing we do? Let me get all the
Oh, you're on
body parts
stage.
out.
Wonderful. Excellent.
Ooh,
Ready. She's so
right.
ready. Woo.
Would you like to pick?
Wonderful. Okay.
The flower!
Wonderful.
What a good
Let's go and sit
end.
back
What's
so you
your
get a
name?
good seat.
Bella.
Bella,
What an
everybody.
excellent name.
Fantastic. Thank
Come
you,
and
Bella.
sit down, Bella.
Now then, Bella, I'm going to move these in. The fact that you picked a flower is excellent because it means we end on a song.
Hooray!
Not a poem. I mean, although they're cultural, I do feel it leaves people on a bit of a sour note. you
Bit
know.
too much like school, innit?
Yeah. So, are you ready for this one?
Right, ladies and gentlemen, this song is not for most of you.
Sorry about that.
This is a song for people from away. That is to say, from out of other countries. That is to say, from off of abroad.
Yes.
And ladies and gentlemen, boo fact! Did you know that in some other countries they speak other languages?
Boo, I think they did know that. Only a few people were,
George
you know.
knew, Bella knew, I didn't know.
Okay, great. Are you ready?
Ready.
Lovely. This is our international song for our international fans. You may be confused today. Babe, I messed it up. Can we start again?
Yeah.
Good, thanks. Good.
Just please, it wasn't me.
This usually is you.
Yeah.
It's our international song for our international fans. You may be confused today. You think we don't make sense. You don't really understand. So this is our song for you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh.
Ah, au revoir. Ouh, ah, au revoir. Je suis en Barcelone ce soir. Ah non, mais oui.
Sacre bleu! This next one is for people from Germany. I love a Frankfurter.
Oh yeah. Hallo, ich bin ein Kaninchen. Ich bin ein Kaninchen. Wann ist der nächste Zug nach Bonn? 5 Minuten.
Mein Gott, Ecto!
Now, this next one is for all you Italian beauties out there.
Bella Italia!
We love you so. Ciao, bella, come stai? Ciao, bella, come stai? Gelato, prego, piano. Pronto? Allora, sì, bambino.
This last one is for people from España. That's Spanish for Spain.
Hola, señora, por favor, el agua, dice que paella. Now then, thank you very much. I'm going to use this because my mic's quite quiet. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming to see us. We are Flossy and Boo. Today's show has been free. No, Boo, it's meant to be. It's the Glamber stage. Good. So can you see that red box right there? Can you see it? Yeah? Good. We'd like all your notes to go into that to help keep this stage free. It doesn't go to us, it goes to the WMC. They're lovely and they get to bring shows like this. Okay? Good. Boo, on you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are Flossy and Boo. Please do find us on the internet, on Twitter, Facebook, and our lovely new brand spanking website. If you have taken any pictures or videos, please do share them. Flossie loves a picture of herself.
That was our international song for our international friends. And now we must say goodbye. Ciao, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir, adios. Please don't look in a dictionary. May we? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Beg your pardon.
Important question, Donna. You right?
Yes.
Very good. Lovely.